everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we bring you satisfying detailing videos. If you're interested in tips, reviews, and more, then consider subscribing. Click that bell, that way you don't miss stuff. In today's video, we are announcing the winner of the Hoover Pet Hair Removal Tool. So this is the giveaway that we had the video of up here. You can check it out. So basically what I had are subscribers and anyone who was interested in purchasing this tool, basically just comment, say if you wanted it, and I would enter you into that giveaway. So again, it's for the brand new Hoover Pet Removal Tool. Awesome tool to use for your pet hair removing needs. Fits right onto your shop vac with the smaller nozzles that fit right onto this perfectly. So like I had mentioned in the video, I have here the video on my iPad, and I'm basically going to randomly scroll through and choose. So quite a few people had said that they wanted it, so I'm going to randomly scroll through a bunch of times, making sure that I'm not hitting any video to make it play. And we're going to pick. So it looks like Gary Pleasant. So Gary Pleasant, you are the winner of the pet hair removal tool. So he mentions that he enjoys watching the videos and he would like to try out the tool because he does a lot of dealer cars, which means a lot of pet hair and dirt. So I feel for you. Doing dealer cars can be horrible. I've done a few myself. I try to stay away from dealers just because their vehicles are wrecked and they really want them to be perfect, which they don't always come out perfect. So I feel your pain, Gary Pleasant. So if you can email me your information, and feel free to either reach out by email or even Instagram. I'll put that up here as well. You can direct message me on Instagram with your name and your address, and I will have this out to you as quickly as I can. So congratulations. Hope you enjoy using the tool. And for those of you who want this, I have links down below to purchase this on Amazon. Easy to get. And they actually come in a couple of different colors. I think there's a red one and a yellow one. They're exactly the same. They're just different colors. That's all. So I just happen to have a red one here, and I believe I had ordered another one that came in as a yellow. So they're the same exact tool. So when you get this tool, Gary, let me know if you've enjoyed using it, how it's worked for you. Give me some feedback on it. And that's really what I like to hear, some feedback on others who have used the tools that we use. And if you have any other suggestions, then feel free to comment down below and leave that information there also. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications and you don't miss stuff. You guys have a great day. We'll see you later.